The ESMT Berlin Full-time MBA program is designed as a one-year intense experience. Technically speaking, it takes 14 months to graduate. So you start in January, work the entire year until the February next year when the graduation takes place. However, if you take the pre- and post-program components to it, the overall duration can increase to 22 months in total. The optional pre-MBA program is a unique opportunity to prepare for and get up to speed before the official program starts. You have the opportunity to take courses on things like coding, but also German classes and classes on intercultural communication and business communication. When you arrived at ESMT Berlin in January, and this is where the official part of the program starts, many of you will see the fellow students for the first time. So the module which starts in January and goes through May is a so-called core module in which you will learn and cover, basic MBA courses such as economics, finance, operations, marketing, and so on. The topic of sustainability is going to come up in many core courses in the beginning of the MBA program. In the next part of ESMT MBA, which also takes 5 months, you'll be able to choose one out of 3 tracks or specializations. These are managerial analytics, strategic leadership, and innovation and entrepreneurship. So depending on when your heart is and what your specialty is, you can pick and choose what fits you best. The managerial analytics track is designed for those of you who are keen to learn more about how to use big data. So starting with modeling of phenomenon, then taking stock of data that you actually have and analyzing this data to give you answers to questions that you want to ask. The analytics tracks is going to give you tools, advanced tools, which allow you for predictive and prescriptive analytics. So lots of people think that starting a new company is a lot of fun, and it truly is. In the innovation and entrepreneurship track, we are going to put a little bit more structure on that part by teaching you how to take idea to business and how to capture value from the innovation. The strategic leadership track is designed for those of you who like to take perspective of a big multinational. So in this track, you learn to navigate in a big company. You think about economy at a global scale. You think about global challenges and global leadership challenges in particular. So after being through the core courses and elective courses, you are coming to next part of the program, which is a consulting project. So this part takes 3 months and gives you an opportunity to work on a consulting project for a real company, together with a team of your fellow MBA students. There are many international options in the full-time MBA program at ESMT Berlin. Most importantly, they are linked to GINA, the Global Network of Advanced Management, a network of 30 leading business schools around the world. In one of those international projects, you will be able to form a virtual team with participating members to learn about how to lead a global team in a virtual setup. The second option is the Global Network Week, where we physically go abroad and study at one of those 30 participating institutions in the global network of advanced management. So we really encourage our participants, our MBA students, to take part of the international options at the program and become part of the GINA. The big benefit of the consulting project is after all the coursework that you've done, you put it all together into a piece of practical work, very often in a new sector that you don't have experience yet. For some of you, this might be a foot at the door at a company that you want to work at. We've seen a lot of fantastic consulting projects in areas like artificial intelligence, fast mover, consumer good, or smart cities. Every project is different and you have to pick one that you like the most. Let's see where it's going to take you. After successful completion of the program and graduation in February, which is going to be a lot of fun, I'm sure, you can decide to stay on with us until June next year. During this post-MBA program, you can pick among multiple possibilities. including working with a startup incubator or doing an organized internship. Our MBA program is designed for providing you with the skills which are necessary and preparing you for the local German job market. So in fact, 90% of our students stay on and work in Germany. I encourage you to find out more. So just visit our website, look at other videos and find out how to apply for the ESMT MBA program.